Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and download Yandex browser in your Android and iOS. So I'm using Android phone, so that's why I have to go Google Play Store. So you have to go Google Play Store if you're a Android user, and go to App Store if you're an iPhone user. Then search here Yandex browser. So you can see it's really popular, and you can see 4.5 ratings out of 5 and 2 million reviews. It means 2 million people read something about this app. And the size of the browser, 91 megabyte, and 100 million plus people already uses this app. So Yandex browser with Protect. So you will get here uh, a lot of feature, like you can quick search, you can instant browser, and you can use VPN, you can download videos, and reliable password protection. You can also save password here. Simply click install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.